Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this.
Pineapple jalapeno smoked barbecue baked beans. So first things first, we need to dice up a red bell pepper. We also need to dice up one onion. We'll cut the tops off these jalapenos, remove the seeds, and dice them up. You can leave the seeds in if you want a little bit of heat. That's up to you. Lastly, you need a pack of thick cut bacon. I forgot, but if you place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes before slicing, it makes it way easier. Now in a wide pan, we'll crisp up the bacon. Once crisp, we'll pour it into a strainer, and then we'll save a couple of tablespoons of that fat and add it back to the pan. You can place all the diced onion and peppers into the pan. Saute for a few minutes to get some color on them and bring out the flavors. Once they start to soften, we'll throw in the pineapple tidbits. Make sure you strain those, we don't need any of the liquid. Now let's pour out a 117-ounce can of baked beans. Strain them to remove the extra sauce, but we're not going to rinse them off. We'll add our vegetables and pineapple. Then we'll add our thick cut bacon, brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and about a cup of Killer Hogs vinegar barbecue sauce. You get that from How to Barbecue Right. I'll have an affiliate link in the description. Then we mix, combine all the ingredients. Before we throw them on a pit, we'll top it with the barbecue rub.
We're going to keep our smoke around 250 degrees. Place them in there and check on them in an hour. It's been an hour, we'll check on it. Looks pretty good. We'll give it a mix. All right, we'll let that go for another hour. We're at the 2-hour mark. We'll give these another mix. Just mix them every hour. Just want to incorporate the smoke flavor in the complete dish. These probably have another hour. They're going to thicken up. These should be done. Ooh, it's hot. Yep, those look good. We'll take these out and give them a try. Now it's time to try them. I mean, these things look awesome. That is really good. Wow. Make this for a party. Everybody's gonna want the recipe. And hopefully you share this video to them. The pineapple really brightens this up. The jalapeno adds a little bit of a kick. It's not bad. The vinegar balances it out from the vinegar sauce. It is so good. It's got bacon in it. I mean, how can you go wrong with that? Yeah, there's red bell pepper in here, jalapenos, pineapple, bacon, the baked beans, some brown sugar. Comes together, bro. Oh yeah, onion. Comes together real fast. It's not hard to do. It's pretty simple. 3 hours on the smoker. You can do it in the oven too if you want. You don't have to smoke it. It's really good. Well, that's our video. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, of course, YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. You get recipes, seasonings, all sorts of stuff on there. This goes together really fast. It's not hard to do. Don't have to use a smoker. It's really good. All right, see ya. It's dinner time.